Finally, here's the long-awaited AirPods Pro 2. Let's check them out today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. AirPods Pro have been the earbuds I use for all my work-from-home conference calls every day the last few years. In today's video, let's unbox the new AirPods Pro 2, go over what's different from the original AirPods Pro, and I'll share the main reason I'm upgrading. The new AirPods Pro 2 come in a solid white square box similar to the one the first gen came in. Typical on Apple packaging these days, on the bottom, pull on these two pull tabs to open the box. Under the cover, there's an envelope with paperwork, colorful ones. No Apple sticker as expected. The AirPods Pro, and under the tray, an USB-C to Lightning cable, and 3 extra ear tips. That's one more than the first gen. Apple added an extra small pair of ear tips on the Gen 2 for those with small ears. Let's look at the case first. The second gen case is the same color and size as the first gen. It's just a little bit heavier by about 0.2 ounces. There are a couple of additions to keep us from losing the case. A linear loop on the side so it could be attached easily to a bag. The linear is sold separately, and I'm sure there will be many available soon. The other difference is the speaker built into the bottom of the case, which will play a sound with Find My app and support precision tracking like the AirTags. The case is now IPX4 sweat and water resistant. It could charge the earbuds 5 times for up to 30 hours of total listening time. That's 6 more hours than the first gen. Lastly, in addition to Qi, MagSafe, and Lightning port charging, it can now be charged with the Apple Watch charger as well, which is neat. Opening the case, the second gen earbuds look pretty much like the first gen. Same size and weight too. Looking a bit closer, the in-ear sensor has moved from the bottom to the top, and it's now a skin detection sensor, which means the sound won't keep on playing through the earbuds when I put them in my pocket. The top acoustic vent is now smaller. The one on the side is the same. The force control stays on the stamps, but now we can swipe up or down to change the volume. It's great how the volume can finally be changed directly on the earbuds without using the phone or Apple Watch. On the inside, the AirPods Pro have the new H2 chip with more computational power for improved noise cancellation and a new adaptive transparency mode that minimizes very loud noises. Their new custom-built driver and amplifiers for better sound too. To be honest, I was skeptical at first on these sound quality improvements. How much better can they be? Can I hear the difference? Noise cancellation on the first gen was quite good. Transparency mode was already top-notch, and I was expecting the sound quality to be improved similar to the AirPods 3, which I like more than a first-gen AirPods Pro. I'll put a link to my comparison between those two here and in the description below. But after a few hours of going back and forth between these AirPods, I've changed my mind. The noise cancellation has indeed been improved. I'm not sure if I can quantify it as 2x, but I could tell the difference. The transparency mode was already quite good, but when I stood by a neighbor who was getting a new roof installed, I could tell the very loud staple and nail gun noises had been reduced. Lastly, the better sound quality. This is the big improvement that won me over. These new AirPods Pro 2 sound much better than the first gen. They're more bass and mids. Overall, the sound is a lot fuller. They also sound more open with a bigger sound stage. Similar to the AirPods 3, but even better. The MSRP of the AirPods Pro 2 is the same as the first gen at $249 US. I'll put a link in the description with a $10 discount right now. While they look the same as the original, the AirPods Pro 2 are improved in almost every way. A better charging case, better battery life, better controls, better noise cancellation, better transparency mode, and most importantly, the main reason I'm upgrading, much better sound quality. It'd be great if they also come in different colors and support lossless music, but I guess I have to wait for a few more years for the AirPods Pro 3. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Which AirPods have you been using? Are you planning to upgrade to AirPods Pro 2? Why or why not? Share with us in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.